Hello, everybody, hello. Welcome to the 2026 edition of the Copy That Copywriting Megacourse, the only copywriting megacourse that you need to launch your copywriting and digital marketing career. True, whether you are trying to write landing pages and emails for fitness coaches, performance marketing assets, top of funnel creative strategy ads, or basically even brochures for dental and plumbing businesses. The stuff that you are about to see in the Copywriting Mega Course should be helpful to everybody. And that takes me to the first major question that we get from everybody who starts this particular mega course, which is this still relevant? And do the ideas in this mega course still work for launching a copywriting career this year, now that the content has been coming out for, well, the actual mega course has been out for about a year, but the content we've been dripping out and making for about the last 5 years? Now, the answer to that question is absolutely yes. Every single day, we not only receive positive reviews about the content of this information in the mega course, but we also receive positive feedback about people that have used it to either launch, grow, or transfer in their careers. In fact, on your screen right now should be just a proliferation of, oh my God, that's too many testimonials. Get them away. Now, the reason why all of this stuff is still pertinent and relevant and still works for helping people get careers is the simple fact that we had a specific goal: help people go from 0 to 1 in their copywriting careers. Everything on our channel that is free is to help people go from 0 to 1, and we reserve our paid stuff to help people grow their career from 1 to 10 and beyond. Now, in order to do that, what we had to do for this mega course was give you a strong, solid foundation in the principles of copywriting. We will go into what that means a little bit later on in the mega course, but for now, just understand that tactics, e-com emails, different assets, different methods, whatever, that changes from year to year, from period to period, and from niche to niche. But principles, the things that actually move people to pay attention to ads, to be persuaded by ads, and to take action from ads, well, those principles have been around for thousands of years, and many people believe that they're actually innate to the human mind, that evolutionarily, most of these things trigger something deep within us that we almost have no choice in the matter over. But enough yapping, let me go through what you are going to experience in this course and how you can get the most out of it. Make sure that you watch to the end, because some of the most common questions that we get come from people who simply did not understand the order of things and what they should do in response to the order of the videos that we've actually put together for you. There was, believe it or not, some intentionality behind all of this. So, first question that people have. As you can see, this is a YouTube playlist. There are a lot of videos, and I think over 140, and we will be adding more as we build more resources that are relevant to the topics that are actually discussed in the mega course. True whether we're talking about persuasion techniques, true whether we're talking about types of copy, and also true whether we're talking about the types of outreach that you can do in order to land clients, get jobs, or build a business. But to that end, if you are familiar with our channel, you will notice that there is a regular 22-hour mega course that is literally 22 hours long, that this was an update and replacement for. You'll also notice our most popular video is a 5-hour copywriting course. A lot of people ask, what should I watch in order? What we have tried to do over the years is actually start from those foundations and build such that what you are watching right now is the most updated and most recent version of what we are trying to do. The actual principles and topics and content haven't really changed. All we've done is really just modify things, amplify things, bring in more examples, and of course, try to fill in the gaps. For example, one of the big problems with the original 5-hour course is that it didn't talk about outreach at all. We fixed that with the 22-hour mega course, where at the, I think it's the hour 13 mark, we then spend about 9 hours teaching you all different methods of outreach and how to optimize it, how to improve it, and how to ensure that you get a job or a client or what have you through a variety of different means. Same thing happened with this 2026 edition. a lot of people started asking us, like, when do I start practicing? Or they'll get to like the third part of the mega course out of 5 and be like, enough theory, I want to actually start reading copy and writing copy. Not realizing that in the 5th part of the original mega course, there is literally a whole segment on practicing copywriting and how to do it. So people were giving up to do something before we even had a chance to teach them how to properly do it effectively. We've tried to move some of that a little bit further forward into this particular playlist. Another thing that you'll notice is that it's a playlist. So rather than chapters in a single continuous video, this is going to jump between a lot of different videos. Now, some people have said that they like the original version a little bit better. And if you want to go do that, totally fine. YouTube actually broke. It didn't do the automatic chapter feature. So those timestamps are in the description of the video. Make sure you look there if you want to navigate your way through the original 22-hour mega course. In this version, again, basically the same content, exactly the same ideas. However, we've also interjected not only messages from me, Rod, Lindsey, Kaylee, Alex, the whole kit and caboodle. And we've done that not only to help you contextualize and understand stuff, but also we've introduced other videos from our, catalog that we thought would be pertinent for you to know. A few practicing exercises, for example, or for example, what books you should probably read first. Another common question that we get. Another addition that we've made to this edition is including videos about how to think about, how to write, and how to properly approach different types of copy. For example, advertorials, email sequences, landing pages, product pages, the lift emails, graphical lift emails, e-com emails, the whole bit. You're going to find examples that you can learn from throughout the entire mega course. Now, is this as robust and will give you everything that you need to know for your entire career? No, of course not. It's a free YouTube video. What are you thinking? This is designed to get you from 0 to 1. So make sure that what you're doing in this mega course is getting that toehold, getting that basis and foundation with an understanding that you are embarking upon a lifetime of learning. And this, I hope, will be your first stop along the way. So here's what you should do if you are either a first-time watcher of the Copywriting Mega Course, or if you've seen the original Mega Course before and you would like to know what the new content is. If you are a first-time watcher, here's what I recommend. Go through the whole thing quickly. Just skim, get a toehold, get a sense of the ideas, get into your head the basics of what we're talking about and the general arc of what we're trying to teach you. And then what I would recommend is going back and then doing a little bit more of a focused view through, where you actually take notes, where you take down information, and where you actually absorb a little bit more than what you had before. Now, in the description below, there's actually a link to a page that will allow you to enter your email and sign up for a 30-day companion guide. On the other side of that email entry is actually an opportunity to get the transcript of the mega course for free, if that's what you want to do. Now, the 30-day companion guide and the transcript of the mega course, totally free. The reason why we did it is to help you take notes, learn a little bit more information, and for some of the stuff that's glossed over or handled quickly in the mega course, you have a little bit more written information to actually refer to as well, because there's just some stuff that doesn't appear well on camera. We are talking about writing after all. It's also in that second viewing where you're actually taking notes that I would recommend you start practicing and taking the time to actually start generating practice pieces based on the suggestions and the assignments that we give you. Now, if you're a repeat viewer and you've actually seen either the 5-hour course or the original 22-hour mega course, my suggestion to you would be to actually skip ahead to some of the other newer content that we've embedded into this playlist so that you can actually go from where you currently are in your knowledge to maybe a little bit further beyond that. And now that I've given you an introduction to the new and improved 22-hour copywriting mega course, well, now it's time for you to watch the original introduction to the copywriting mega course, where we answer even different objections and also give you a sense of exactly how to get the most out of this and why copywriting might just be the best career on the planet. We've done everything that we can to respect your attention and time in the construction of this mega course. It is long, not because it is full of fluff. It is long because it is packed with a ton of information, as well as a lot of over-the-shoulder writing, master classes, detailed streams, things that I hope will give you a robust and nuanced sense of how to excel in this career, not to sell you on some other course. Truly, my goal for you by the time you reach the end is for you to have enough to get a client on your own without paying a single dollar for any additional information. And with that in mind, I hope that you enjoy the Copy That Copywriting Mega Course. Good luck.